Incorporating whole fruits and vegetables into your diet is crucial for maintaining good health. Yet, if you habitually discard the peels, you might be discarding the most nutrient rich part. Traditionally, peels are treated as waste, destined for the trash or compost heap. Only those with a palatable texture and subtle taste escape the peeler. However, research unequivocally demonstrates that most fruit and vegetable peels are not only edible but also packed with exceptional health benefits. However, it's imperative to prioritize organic produce when consuming peels. So, what makes peels so potent, and which ones should you make a point to include in your diet? That's what we're going to cover in today's video. Before we get into the healthiest fruit and vegetable peels you can eat, here's a look at 3 characteristics of peels that will make you reconsider throwing them out. Number 1, peels contain loads of fiber. Fiber is essential for regular digestion. It also feeds the good bacteria in your gut and may help with weight management by making you feel fuller for longer. Unfortunately, many people are fiber deficient, consuming far less than the recommended daily amount. Fruits and vegetables is an excellent way to up fiber intake, but up to 1/3 of the fiber content is found in the peels of produce. Number 2, peels are sky high in antioxidants. Consuming antioxidants is one of the keys to longevity, younger looking skin, and a host of other health benefits. Once again, fruits and vegetables are high on the antioxidant rich foods list. But importantly, researchers have discovered that antioxidants are typically concentrated in the outer layer of fruits and vegetables, aka the peels. In fact, antioxidant concentration can be up to 328 times higher in the peel than in the pulp. Number 3, peels can double or triple nutrients. It's no secret that fruits and veggies are packed with nutrients. What is surprising is the fact that peels quite frequently contain more nutrients than the rest of the fruit and can drastically increase your nutrient intake. Now, even though these 3 key points generally hold true, there are still certain peels that are virtually inedible. Avocado peels, for example, are rarely eaten because they are hard and rough. But there are numerous peels you can eat and should be eating, including some you might not expect. Top fruit and vegetable peels to eat. Tomatoes. Tomato skin contains a unique flavonoid known as naringenin and a similar compound known as naringenin chalcone. Interestingly, studies have discovered that naringenin chalcone from tomato skin has anti-allergic activity. It seems to work by inhibiting histamine release and has potential to inhibit allergic reactions. Other research has revealed anti-diabetic and antioxidant properties of naringenin. You can get this valuable compound by leaving the skin on tomatoes when you eat or cook them. Of course, you'll get a fiber boost too, plus more of the valuable antioxidant lycopene. Apples. Apples are something of an in-between fruit. Some people peel them while others don't. Leaving the peel on your apples just about doubles the amount of fiber you would get from an unpeeled apple. The peel also contains small amounts of vitamin E and folate that aren't in the rest of the fruit, as well as more than triple the amount of vitamin K. Vitamin K is known as a blood clotting nutrient, but also has an important role in bone metabolism and calcium regulation. Apple peels are also loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and anthocyanins. Notably, the peels are found to inhibit liver cancer cells far more effectively than any other part of the fruit. Watermelon. You may never have considered eating watermelon rind, but here is a top reason to think about it. Watermelon contains a decent amount of vitamins, but the fruit is especially notable for its citrulline content. Citrulline is an amino acid that gets transformed into the essential amino acid arginine within your body. Both amino acids play a critical role in the production of nitric oxide, a substance that lowers blood pressure by dilating and relaxing blood vessels, making it excellent for heart health. While citrulline is found in the whole fruit, it's present at a much higher concentration in the white rind, not the green outer skin. If you don't want to simply gnaw on the rind, try the pickled version or chop it like a vegetable and add it to a stir fry. Zucchini. Like cucumbers, much of the inner flesh of zucchini is made of water. The outer peel is where most of the nutrients are found. More specifically, you can get a decent amount of fiber, some extra vitamin C, and a good amount of potassium from a zucchini with the peel left on. Plus, it contains an extra boost of other minerals like magnesium and calcium. Once again, the highest antioxidant content is found in the skin as well, and the same goes for yellow zucchini, aka summer squash. If you find the peel of zucchini a bit on the tough side, be sure to choose smaller baby fruit. The smaller the size, the more tender the skin will be. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, which makes them great immune boosting foods. Surprisingly, the peel typically contains 2 to 3 times more vitamin C than the inner fruit. Orange peel, for example, contains triple the vitamin C of the pulp and is a great source of calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and vitamin A. The peels of citrus fruits are also where most of the volatile essential oils are found. These powerful compounds have noted anti-inflammatory power and have displayed anti-cancer potential. Many are also potent antioxidants and are found at greater concentrations in the peel than in the pulp. While you don't really want to bite into the rind of a citrus fruit, you can grate and use the zest in numerous recipes or chop the peel finely and add to smoothies. Mangoes. Mangoes have many health benefits and may just be one of the most nutritious fruits you can eat. That being said, mango peel is not a part of the fruit people normally consume. However, research shows that mango peels are loaded with antioxidants. This includes the antioxidant vitamins E and C, as well as polyphenols and carotenoids. They also have a significant amount of fiber and contain compounds with anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties. Mango peels also contain a natural chemical known as urushiol, with the same chemical found in poison ivy, which means some people may have an allergic reaction to mango peel. Test out small amounts of the peel first. If you don't have any reaction, add the peel to smoothies or leave it on mango pieces for a significant antioxidant boost. Cucumbers. The inner flesh of a cucumber is about 96% water. There are a few vitamins and some fiber mixed in, but most of the nutrient, fiber, and antioxidant content of cucumbers is found on their skin. By leaving the peel on, you can get a noticeably higher amount of vitamin K, the blood-clotting nutrient important for bone metabolism, from a cucumber. Minerals like selenium, magnesium, and calcium also increase as compared to the peeled version. Research also indicates that cucumber peels are higher in flavonoids and phenolic compounds, known both powerful antioxidants, than the fruit. Keep in mind that store-bought cucumbers often come with a wax coating. Use a vinegar water solution to remove this coating before eating. Kiwis. Did you know that the fuzzy peels of kiwis are edible? And not only are they edible, the peels are also highly nutritious. Unsurprisingly, eating the skin along with the flesh ups the fiber content of a kiwi by about 50%. It also significantly increases the amount of folate and vitamin E you get. Antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic compounds are concentrated in the peel as well. You can get some of the fuzz off a kiwi skin by scraping it with a spoon or rubbing it with a cloth. Slice it thinly to get small amounts of the peel at a time. Eggplant. The beautiful purple color of eggplant skin is a hint at the powerful nutrients it contains. When you remove it, you miss out on extra fiber and a group of compounds known as anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are both antioxidants and plant pigments responsible for the purple shade of eggplant. A particular anthocyanin found in eggplant skin, known as nasonin, has demonstrated potent protective effects against free radical damage to cells. Eggplant skin can be a little tough, but will be more tender on smaller fruits. Peaches. Most people remove peach skin because it has a fuzzy texture, but if you do so, you'll be missing out on a significant antioxidant boost. Studies have found that peach skin contains more antioxidants than the rest of the fruit. It's packed full of polyphenols like caffeic acid and chlorogenic acid, as well as carotenoids. Carotenoids are extremely beneficial antioxidants that have anti-aging power for your skin, support eye health, and enhance immune function. They may even help prevent certain diseases, including cancer. To get around the fuzzy nature of the skin, try slicing your peaches thinly so the skin is barely noticeable, or add the skin all to a smoothie. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Potatoes often get a bad rap as a starchy vegetable with too many calories. In reality, they are loaded with nutrients and resistant starch, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It's usually the way potatoes are cooked that makes them unhealthy. When you leave the skins on, potatoes really become a nutritional powerhouse. Minerals in particular are heavily concentrated in the potato skin. 17% of total zinc, 34% calcium, 55% iron. Dietary fiber also shoots up if you consume the peel. Overall, a medium potato with skin on provides you with over 25% of the daily value for vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, manganese, and magnesium, phosphorus, niacin, folate. Not bad at all. Pears. Pears are one of the best fruits to eat to up your fiber intake. They contain soluble and insoluble fiber, which are both important for bowel regularity and feeding the good bacteria in your gut. As you may have guessed, the peels of pears contribute significantly to their fiber content. A medium-sized pear that hasn't been peeled packs in about 6 grams of fiber. Pears are also rich in anthocyanins, red pears specifically, lutein and zeaxanthin, green pears, and polyphenols. All of these are antioxidant compounds linked to lower inflammation and lower risks of heart disease and other chronic issues, and all are most concentrated in the peel. Grapes. Grapes aren't usually peeled, but you may not realize just how much of your body gets out of grape skins. Perhaps the most noticeable plant compound found in grapes is resveratrol. Resveratrol is an incredibly powerful antioxidant first discovered in red wine. It has well-documented anti-aging benefits, particularly for your heart, brain, and skin. Most of the resveratrol in grapes is found in the skin. The skin also contains fiber and beneficial compounds like gallic acid, catechine, and epicatechine that you don't want to miss out on. Bananas. Banana peels are tough, thick, and a little bitter, but don't let that put you off. They are rich in potassium just like the fruit, as well as antioxidants, fiber, and tryptophan, which is an important amino acid for your sleep-wake cycle. Now, you don't necessarily want to start chewing on banana peels, but you can add chunks of them to a smoothie for an extra nutrient boost, or boil them, bake the skin to improve the texture. There's a clear bottom line here. Most fruits and vegetables are more nutritious and health boosting with their peels left on. However, there are some factors to keep in mind. First and foremost is the fact that most conventional produce is sprayed with toxic pesticides. Pesticide residue is quite frequently concentrated in the peel since it's the most outermost part of the fruit or vegetable. Ideally, you want to buy organic produce if you intend to consume the peel, particularly when it comes to the dirty dozen. At the very least, wash all produce thoroughly before consuming it, which does reduce pesticide residue. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something interesting about vegetable and fruit peels. Thanks for watching again. Subscribe to our channel for more tips just like this one.